Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add your location on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your account. All you have to do, just go up, you will click here on this picture here, then it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just click here on settings here, and it's going to take you to settings window here. In this window, then you just click here on account preferences, and you come to a next window here, and you just click here on name location. Then you come to a next window here. So all you have to do now, you just click here on this sign, and it's going to take you here in this window. So and you go down here, so then you just come here to location. You will click here on Morocco or here, and you add your location here, here or your country, and it's going to add with you here in this window. I wish you know you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.